Let's see this question of the surface area and volume, class 10 mathematics. The question is, the right circular cone of the height 30 cm is drawn. A small cone is cut off from the top by a parallel to the base. The volume of a small cone is 1 upon 27 of the volume of given cone. Find at what height above the base is the section made. If you not forget, the same question is in class 9th. What's the question? A big cone of height 30 cm is cut by plane parallel to the base. So this part, small cone, is volume of small cone is 1 upon 27 of the volume of big cone, or you can say the given cone. This thing is given, and the question what? Find the height where is the cut. Means the question want PO. What is the value of PO? Means at what height the cone is cut. So this is the small cone, big cone, small slant, big, but doesn't matter for this, small r 90. So first we find the relation, because in this question if you put the values, volume of small cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi capital R square h, 1 by 3 pi cancel. So r square by h by capital R square by capital H, 1 by 27. We separate all the variables in left side, 1 by 27 in right side. Then we know the value of capital H. We want the value of PO, and the PO is equal to capital H minus small h. Means we only want the value of small h. So we try to find it. If I say in triangle APB and triangle AOB, angle APB is equal to angle AOC 90, and angle A is common angle, so triangle APB is similar triangle AOB by angle similarity. By angle similarity, these two triangles are similar, so it's all corresponding side ratio are equal. That's why I explained in the previous video. So AP upon AO, PB upon OC. We write here, but don't have space, so we can write here. Small h upon capital H, small r upon capital R. That means we have to put small r upon capital R is equal to small h upon capital H. So here we don't have to know the value of small r and capital R. So in this place we can say, and this is same, h cube by capital H cube is equal to 1 by 27. So h by capital H is equal to cube root upon 1 upon 27. Then small h upon 30 is equal to 1 by 3. Because capital H value is 30, so you get the value is 10 centimeter. So PO is equal to H minus S, 30 minus 10, that is 20 centimeter height. Means this section will to be cut at the height of 20 centimeters from the base. Okay, pause, we note down. Let's see this question. It's also a good question. Come in board examination. A spherical ball of radius 3 cm is melted and recast into 3 spherical balls. The radii of two of these are 1.5 and 2 cm. Find the radius of third. Radius of 3 cm. Melt and recast into 3 balls. R1 1.5, R2 2, R3 we want to find them. So if this recast and make 3 small sphere, so you can say these 3 volume is equal to this volume, because recasting means the volumes are same. Volume of big sphere is equal to volume of all 3 small sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. 4 by 3 is common in all. So what's remain? R1 cube, R2 cube, R3 cube. Then 4 by 3 pi is cancelled. Then I put the value of capital R 3 cube, small r1 1.5 cube, 2 cube, R3 cube. 27 minus send to both side 8. 1.5 square is 2.25. 2.25 into 2. So you have to get the 3.375. That is 27 minus 11.375 cube root of 5 2 6 5 1. 15.625 cube root, sorry, this is the cube root. Then we find the cube root. How we find it? We have to see the simple method. I know many students are confused how we find the cube root of the decimal number. So convert into p by q form. Then split that. 10 into 10 into 10 in denominator. 15625, you find the square root. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 to 5 5 by 25 25 125 125 625 3125 3125 5 is a 15 625. So it's a group, 2 group, only 1 group. So we get 25 by 10. That means R3 equal to 2.5 centimeter. Radius of third sphere 2.5 centimeter. I hope you understand how you find it. Pause, we note down. Let's see this question. First term based question, but I am not explaining the first term. I am explaining the concept. A container made of a metal sheet is in the form of first term of cone of height 12 cm with the radii of the lower and upper end of 3 and 12 cm. Find the cost of the metal sheet used. If the cost is 7 rupees per 100 meter centimeter square. Is the bucket of radii 3 and 12 centimeter, and the height of the frustum is the 12 centimeter. Rate ₹7 per 100 centimeter square. Find the total cost of metal sheet. If I say this is the bucket of metal sheet, you know the sheet are where required. Here sheet required and here sheet required. This part is open, so here is no metal sheet required. So area of metal sheet CSA of bucket plus area of base pi L R plus R pi small r square. Pi value, you know, it's given. Yes, 22/7 into L into 12 into 3 plus 3 22/7 into 3 into 3. L value is not given. So firstly you find the value of L. How? L square is square root h square plus r minus r whole square. So 12 square plus 12 minus 3 whole square, 144 plus 9 square means 144 plus 81, so we get 550 means L is equal to, you get 15 centimeter. So you can put here, simplify them. They are not simplified, so we can put the value. No. Okay. 15 to 30, 20 to 30 upon 7 into 15. 9 to 18, 9 to 18. Then take 7 LCM. 15 3 are 45. 15 3 are 45. 8 4 4 5. Right, let's see if 5. Hmm. 11. Check the multiplication. 15, 45, 5, 1, 4. Okay. Multiplication is okay. This centimeter square. So total cost of metal. If I say 100 centimeter square cost ₹7, so 1 centimeter square cost 7/100 rupees. There's a concept explaining, so I will take the question. If the cost here 100, not per centimeter square, it's 100 centimeter square. So cost of 100 centimeter square is 7. So 1 centimeter square is 7/100. So cost of this centimeter square 7/100 into 5148. 7 7 cancel. So rupees 51.48 is the total cost of metal sheet required to invest. Okay, pause it, note down. See this question. You also read the question. If I am right, you have to all think that what is the parallelopiped. So explain it. Wait. The length, breadth and height of the rectangular parallelopiped are in the ratio 6:3:1. The surface area of the cube is equal to the surface area of this parallelopiped. Then what is the ratio of the volume of the cube of the volume of the parallelopipe? Rectangular parallelopipe means pipe but in the form of rectangle. Pipe in the form of rectangle means a hollow cuboid, but it's pipe in form of rectangular pipe, just like this. This length, breadth, height are in ratio 6:3:1, and a cube as is not given, but it is given that surface area of rectangular parallelopiped is equal to surface area of cube. Means both surface area are same. So surface area means only a total surface area. Question 1, find the ratio of the volume of rectangular parallelopiped ratio of the cube. So first word is the cube, so we can take the ratio in first cube, then the cuboid, or you can say parallelopiped. So first we create the relation. How we let length 6x, breadth 3x, height x, ratio convert into the value form, then solve it. 2lb bh hl 6a square 2l 6x 3x 3x x x 6x 6 into a square 2 3 is 6 3a square 18x square 3x square 6x square 27x square is equal to 3a square. So a is equal to 3x, taking square root to both sides. Then we want to find the ratio. What's ratio? Volume of cube upon volume of cuboid rectangular parallelopiped. A cube upon length into breadth into height. In place of a cube we can put 3x 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 3x. Length, breadth, height 6x 3x x. Then solve it. Three upon 2, 3:2, 3:2 is the ratio of their volume. The main things, if you find the ratio, to always be careful. First word is cube, so we can take the ratio of cube first and then the ratio of cuboid according to question. Okay, pause, we note down. Let's see one more question. Class 9 question, same. Water in a canal 30 meter wide and 12 meter deep is flowing with a velocity of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 cm of standing water is required for irrigation? A canal. If length breadth is given, so the canal in form of cuboid. And water is flowing in the canal, and we want to find the area of this field. We want to find the area of irrigation. Heads have 8 centimeter of standing water, means height of water level is 8 centimeter. The canal in the shape of cuboid because 30 meter wide, 12 meter deep. Length is not given, rate is given, that is 10 km per hour. 10 into 5.18 meter per second. Time is given, that is in 30 minutes. So in previous we can say we can't find here in meter per second, directly find the length. Length means distance. Speed into time. Speed is 10 km per hour and time is 1/2 hours. It is 5 km, so 5,000 meter. Means the length of this canal is 5,000 meter for 30 minutes. Means in 30 minutes 5,000 canal water is flowing, and here it dropped. So suppose that this is a tank, have water of 8 centimeter level height. So find the area. It means you can say water, volume of water from canal in 30 minutes is equal to volume of water in field for irrigation. Canal, length into breadth into height. This is also a cuboid, but we want to area. So the basic standard from area of base into height. Height of the water level in this field. Length 5,000 meter, breadth 30 meter, height 12 meter. We want to find the area of base. Height in centimeter given, so we can convert 8 by 100 meter. So it's also 8 by 100. So the area of base 5,000 into 30 into 12 into 100 by 8. 4 2 z, 4 3 12, 2 15 z 30. So we can find 45, 225, 1 2 3 1 2 meter square area of field. This is the area of field. 225 050 is 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh 2 crore 25 lakh meter square area. But this is a very big numbers, we can come to the nearest unit. So either you can write 225,000 by 10,000 convert into hectare, that is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So you can say 2250 hectare, or you can convert 1000 into 1000 kilometer square. Means 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer. So we divide by 2 times 1000. So it can count into 10 remain 2.25 kilometer square. So that your options, you can leave your answer in meter square, hectare or kilometer square. All are the right. Because in this question it's not given that you can find the area in this unit. Okay. We explain all the units. Pause the video, go down.